In this video, I will show you how to margin trade on Kraken. To do this, what you want to do is just open up Kraken and then head over to Kraken Pro. So for margin trading, you want to use Kraken Pro. It's completely free to access and you have lower fees than with the normal Kraken platform. Now from here, just go to trade and then just find whatever you want to trade. Then what you want to do is here go to margin and just toggle this on. So you have margin 10x for Solana Euro right here. So that's how easy it is. You just toggle this on and then you have your portfolio leverage with the margin. Now I could also use, for example, Bitcoin USD with the same margin. So just toggle this on and then it will say between brackets 10x, which means that margin is on. So that's how to margin trade on Kraken. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.